Can you guess the classic cars? Pick the right answer from A to D to earn 5 points, or guess it from the picture before the options for a bold 10 points. Perfect score, 200 points. Let's see who really knows classics. Which car is this? A. 1969 Pontiac GTO Judge. B. 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. C. 1970 Buick Skylark GSX Stage 1. D. 1971 Oldsmobile 442 W30. The answer is C. 1970 Buick Skylark GSX Stage 1. Can you recognize this one? A. 1959 Aston Martin DB4 convertible. B. 1956 Jaguar XK140 drophead. C. 1957 Ferrari 250 GT California. D. 1958 Maserati 3500 GT Spider. The answer is D. 1958 Maserati 3500 GT Spider. Is this car familiar? A. 1961 Alfa Romeo Giulietta SZ. B. 1963 Lotus Elite Type 14. C. 1960 Porsche 356. B. Carrera. D. 1962 Lancia Flaminia Zagato. The answer is A. 1961 Alfa Romeo Giulietta SZ. Can you place this machine? A. 1912 Ford Model T Touring. B. 1910 Page Detroit Model B Roadster. C. 1911 Pierce Arrow Model 36. D. 1909 Rambler Model 44. The answer is B. 1910 Page Detroit Model B Roadster. What are you looking at? A. 1921 Rolls-Royce Silver Ghost. B. 1920 Isotta Fraschini Tipo 8. C. 1920 Renault Type EU Coupe de Ville. D. 1919 Daimler TS6 Limousine. The answer is C. 1920 Renault Type EU Coupe de Ville. Which car is it? A. 1934 Lincoln Model K. B. 1933 Cadillac Series 355C. 1935 Pierce Arrow 12 Sedan. D. 1934 Packard 12-1107 Club Sedan. The answer is D. 1934 Packard 12-1107 Club Sedan. Do you know this one? A. 1959 Cadillac Series 62. B. 1961 Buick Electra 225. C. 1958 Imperial Crown. D. 1960 Chrysler New Yorker. The answer is A. 1959 Cadillac Series 62. Recognize this classic? A. 1946 Morgan 44 B. 1946 MG Midget TC Roadster, C. 1948 Austin Healey 100, D. 1947 Triumph Roadster. The answer is B. 1946 MG Midget TC Roadster. Any idea what this is? A. 1961 Austin Cambridge A55, B. 1962 Ford Consul Classic, C. 1961 Vauxhall Cresta PA, D. 1960 Humber Hawk Series 1. The answer is C. 1961 Vauxhall Cresta PA. Can you name it? A. 1932 Delage D8 Roadster, B. 1933 Alfa Romeo 8C 2300 Cabriolet, C. 1934 Bugatti Type 57 Cabriolet, D. 1935 Talbot Lago T120. The answer is B. 1933 Alfa Romeo 8C 2300 Cabriolet. Which car is this? A. 1938 Fiat 1500 Berliner, B. 1939 Lancia Aprilia Berliner, C. 1940 Peugeot 202, D. 1937 Opel Olympia. The answer is A. 1938 Fiat 1500 Berliner. Do you recognize it? A. 1969 Ferrari 365 GTB/4, B. 1971 Iso Grifo 7 Litre Series 2, C. 1972 De Tomaso Pantera, D. 1970 Lamborghini Jarama. The answer is B. 1971 Iso Grifo 7 Litre Series 2. What could this be? A. 1972 Aston Martin 58, B. 1971 Ferrari 365 GTC/4, C. 1971 Maserati Indy 4.2, D. 1970 Jensen Interceptor. The answer is C. 1971 Maserati Indy 4.2. Can you spot it? A. 1978 Lamborghini Countach LP400, B. 1976 Ferrari 308 GTB, C. 1975 BMW 3.0 CSL, D. 1977 Porsche 911 Turbo Carrera. The answer is D. 1977 Porsche 911 Turbo Carrera. Which one is this? A. 1933 Packard 8 Cabriolet, B. 1935 Cord 810 Phaeton, C. 1932 Duesenberg model JD 1934 Auburn 851 Speedster. The answer is A. 1933 Packard 8 Cabriolet. Any guesses? A. 1948 Hudson Commodore, B. 1948 Tucker 48, C. 1950 Nash Rambler, D. 1949 Studebaker Champion. The answer is B. 1948 Tucker 48. Do you know this one? A. 1964 Chevrolet Corvair Monza convertible. B. 1963 Studebaker Lark Daytona. C. 1963 Ford Falcon Futura Sport convertible. D. 1962 Plymouth Valiant Signet. The answer is C. 1963 Ford Falcon Futura Sport convertible. What car is this? A. 1938 Bentley 4¼ liter. B. 1935 Hispano-Suiza J12. C. 1936 Porsche 853 Coupe. D. 1937 Mercedes-Benz 540K Coupe. The answer is D. 1937 Mercedes-Benz 540K Coupe. Can you identify it? A. 1964 Peel P50. B. 1963 Messerschmitt KR200. C. 1965 Mini Cooper. D. 1962 BMW Isetta. The answer is A. 1964 Peel P50. Final one, what is it? A. 1929 Duesenberg model. J. B. 1930 Cadillac 516 Roadster. C. 1932 Lincoln KB Roadster. D. 1931 Marmon 16. The answer is B. 1930 Cadillac 516 Roadster.